loves. Today I have scrapbooking haul to share with you. It's not that big, but I did find some goodies that I wanted to get. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, the first thing I want to share are the free stuff that I got. Okay, the first one here is, let me move this out the way. Happy Halloween, and there's a little stamp right here. So I got that one from scrapbooking.com. And then another thing I do have here is Simple Stories Spooky Things paper pen. This is actually my third one, so I won't go through that one because I did post a video with this one on there. And the next thing I have is this autumn book. Oh, that's actually pretty nice, which is 15.5 by 23. Wow, that looks really nice. So let's go ahead and check this one out. This is a nice autumn one. Oh wow, look at that. That is really nice. Move this out the way so you can see it better. Look at that. Beautiful. And these are stickers. Yeah, these are stickers over here. Oh, I love it. Love, love, love. Look at that. I love fall. I can't wait till fall. It's so hot over here. But I am a fall baby, so yeah, I love, love, love. Real nice. And it looks like it doubles. Yeah. So it keeps going. Actually, it goes like 3 times around. Or maybe 3 or 4. So real nice. I love it. So that was also free. Now the next thing I have here, which I should have bought a while back, but went ahead and buy it now, is this little scrapbooking.com trays. So I did get 2 of the small ones so that when I am doing embellishments, I could just pop them in a tray. And I plan on doing videos with making embellishments, so I wanted something to divide. So I got that, the smaller one. And then I also got the bigger one. So I also got this from scrapbooking.com, which I love, love, love. This will come in handy for these here. So yeah, love that. Got 2 of them. I want to buy these 2 first to see how they look. I might get the bigger one, the bigger set. Oh yeah, I got those 2. And let me leave this one out so we can check the ephemera. Okay, the next thing I have here is some Chit Chat from Sweet and Spooky, and it's from Doodlebug Design. I love Doodlebug. I love their stuff. And then you do have 85. This is how the back looks. Real nice. We got banners. Love it. Love it. So let's see. Let's look at some of them. Might as well use this while we have it, right? Let's see this one. This does have some words like spooky. Does have a haul. Love it. Andy. Oh, did it get ripped? It's supposed to be candy. I'll find it after. Trick or treat. Eek. It just got a little craving pumpkins. You have some sentiments on here. Give me something good to eat. Love it. Halloween. Oh wow, I love it. Pumpkin. Night. Party. You still got some little things. Got a pumpkin strip. Be nice for a card. Sweet. This one also says having a spectacular time. Hunting we will go. Boo. Real nice. Now, where is the C? October 31. Crew. Haunted house. Costume. I don't find a C. And it does have like smaller little circles. October 31. Hello Pumpkin. Spooky fun. Halloween night. It says eek. It even has a balloon that says along came a spider. So sweet. Well, that's actually a nice one. Other than me not having my candy. And I don't know where that's at. Huh, I don't know. I don't know what's in there. So yeah, that's that one. This one's a perm. Maybe if I find a sticker I could rig it. Alright, so that's the Doodlebug one. And then I did get some Doodlebug paper pads. So we'll look at this one first. So we'll look at this one. And this is 6x6. This is Hey Pumpkin. Oh wow, love it already. I love Doodlebug. Look at that. How cute is that? Love it. I just love the colors. Oh my goodness. This one got some tags, some paper strips. Look at that. Sentiments, more little tags, candy, stripes. Oh wow, real nice. Love it. Love, love, love. Look at those. How nice is that? Love the colors. And then it starts, yeah, it starts second round. Yeah, so that's that paper pad. That's Hey Pumpkin. And then the last thing I have here is Sweet and Spooky, which goes with this one here with the ephemera. Let's look at this one. I like this one because it's pastel colors. Look at that. Oh, I love that. Look at that. You got the yellow, the candy. Love, love, love. Get the pink. Real nice. I love it. Yes, please. Look at that one. Love it. Some cutter parts. Right there. Look at this cuteness over here. Love it. Real nice. Really, really nice. Some more paper strips, some pumpkins, some tags. So cute, 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 cute. Love it. And then it repeats again. Wow, love it. So that is my little scrapbooking haul that I want to share with you. Yeah, this is actually real nice. I did like the autumn book. The book was amazing and super cute, and there's a sticker. So this is my little scrapbooking haul. So make sure you like the video, subscribe if you haven't, hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And I also put stuff in my community tabs on sale, so go ahead and subscribe so you know when I do that, so I keep you informed on some goodies. So yeah, with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.